pinching like this. Okay? Okay? Like this. So what we're gonna do, not yet. I'm gonna show you first. We're gonna hold the edge of the tortilla with the 3 fingers like this. With the thumb in the middle, we're gonna bring the center cross against the other fingers, against the edge. Like this. Pinch. Notice I'm not lifting the tortilla from the plate. The tortilla stays on the plate. Pinch. Pinch. We need to lift like a little border. Well, let's not talk about borders now, okay? We're gonna skip that part. We're not going there. We're not going there. Okay, we're gonna build a bowl.
A wall?
Not a wall, a bowl. We're building a bowl, okay? Like this all around. But what you are gonna do, that's why I ask you to wait for me. You're gonna take them off the griddle the way they are. Don't flip them again. That side. Put them on your styrofoam plates. If you don't have a styrofoam plate, Moses shouldn't be giving you one. But, people, you will use the napkins that we are giving you to do what I did. Why? Because they're hot on the outside